The lowly chicken nugget. This little staple of McDonald's food has been accused, sometimes inaccurately and sometimes accurately, of having all sorts of stuff inside of it. Of all the things it's been accused of, it's never been accused of having too much silicon in it. Well, does this chicken nugget have enough silicon to play Tetris? Let's find out. I'm Mr. Gigabytes, and this is Gigabytes Technology. This, my friends, is a Happy Meal toy from China. From a very famous fast food chain that we might recognize. And it is a little Tetris game. I remember when the Happy Meal toys were really something to behold. Nowadays, it's not, I don't know, let's suffice it to say that McDonald's really needs to up their Happy Meal toy game. But apparently, the Chinese are doing just that. So, bring that up if you want to read whatever it says. Might have to get the might have to get Google Translate out there, but side of the box. Well, let's go ahead and open this up, see what this is all about. Wow. This is something else. Let's try and get this out of here before, so in a way that doesn't break the box. That might not be possible. There we go. Set that to the side. So this is it. Chicken nugget with enough silicone in it, or silicon in it, rather, to be able to play Tetris. So let's go ahead and open this bag. And I am getting I'm going to go ahead and get a knife. Well, that's interesting. These are stickers, American letters, and then, of course, some other stickers here. Nice little sticker sheet. Happy Children's Day, it says. Right up at the top there. Different characters. Different stickers there. So let's see. See if there's anything we need to do. Well, it looks like it's currently turned off, so. Here we go. Power button is here. There we go. Let's start at level 1. Oh, there we go. Oh. So up and down actually drops the piece. Pretty basic game. I guess up drops the piece instantly. Down just kind of moves it a little bit. Of course, I'm trying to play it through the phone. Well, let's just... Yeah, not easy playing it through the camera. But yeah, that's a neat little thing. Whole video game and a Happy Meal toy. Some instructions. English and Chinese, it looks like. Some specifications, it looks like. Yeah, that's kind of a neat thing. Like I said, McDonald's in America really needs to step up their Happy Meal game and bring us neat stuff like this. This is cool. But I suppose march of progress. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.